What's up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. Super stoked to show you this Chris Reeve Umnumzaan. I love saying that. First rate Chris Reeve packaging. It doesn't get any better than that. They all come with a Chris Reeve Knives microfiber cloth, which is gigantic, which you can't beat. You get your own, you get your tool, you get your grease. Best packaging in the business, no doubt. This is the Umnumzaan Tanto Edge. We also have it in a drop point. Idaho made. So Umnumzaan drop point Tanto Edge, we have both in stock now. They are flying off the shelf quick though, guys, and this is our first intro to Chris Reeve knives. So we got more coming in the future, but if you have any questions, call or text me 423-525-9477. More inventory coming soon. Thanks, guys.